I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in Mixed Media March 25, hosted by Carrie Griffiths. And this has been so much fun. This is day 7. And today I'm just going to doodle on my gel print. I love doing that. I've done that before. And years ago, I used to participate with someone else's challenge. And I used to do that. And I hope you'll enjoy it. I hope you're doing great. Be sure and check out Carrie's channel at Carrie Griffiths. I have it listed in my description box down below. And be sure and check out the hashtag MixedMediaMarch25 to see what everyone else has made. Since I'm doodling and doodling takes a while, I'm just going to play music for this video and let you watch me doodle. And I'll be back at the end. So without further ado, let's get started. right, I'm finished. I looked up and my phone was off, so I think I had too much stuff on my phone. I've got to, since I'm having to do my videos on my phone, it's hard for me to keep track. I forget that I need to delete the stuff a lot quicker. But I've just had a lot of fun. I hate you miss me doing this, but you got the general idea. I came back through with gel pen and white gel pen and just kind of went around some of the thicker lines. I thought it brought a lot of, I like to do that when I do fodder. And I just used some alcohol markers just to put a little something in the background. And I got my 7s right here in this leaf. So I've got I got number 7 for this day, and I signed it right here. And I'm just going to put this into my art journal book. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. If you haven't, ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Be sure and check out Carrie Griffith's channel, and be sure and check out the hashtag Mixed Media March 25. So until next time, I love you. Bye-bye.